Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if you cannot join Windows Insider program on your Windows 10. So basically, in order to receive preview builds on your Windows 10, you have to sign in with your Windows Insider account and configure some settings under the Windows Insider section of Settings app. However, while configuring this setting, sometimes you may receive this error, sorry something went wrong, and there is an error code mentioned 0x0, and due to this error you may not be able to join Windows Insider program on your Windows 10 and hence you cannot receive the preview build you want. But there is nothing to worry about and you can easily fix this problem using the solution I will share you next here. The first solution is open Settings app by right click on the start button and selecting settings and go to privacy and diagnostics and feedback. You can also search for that as I have shown in this video. And under diagnostics and feedback, make sure you have optimal diagnostic data option is turned on. Also make sure that improve inking and typing and tailored experiences options are also turned on here. After that, you can try joining the Windows Insider program again on your Windows 10 and that should work. In case if you still face this problem, you can try the registry solution I will share you next here. So open the registry editor by running regedit command. In the UAC confirmation prompt, click yes. In the registry editor window, go to HKey local machine, software Microsoft Windows self-host. First of all, right click on the Windows self-host registry key and select export and save this registry key in form of a registry file to a convenient location. This is purely for the backup purpose. As you can see that I have saved the registry key in form of registry file. Next, right click on the Windows self-host registry key and select delete. In the confirmation prompt, click yes. Once you do that, close the registry editor and restart your system. After restarting the system, you should be able to join Windows Insider program as usual and the issue must be resolved. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.